Fireworks don't just scare your dog, they also mess with their nervous system. I've seen this firsthand, not from my dogs. A few years ago, I was taking my daughter's friend back home. We almost hit this cute little black lab. We stopped. My daughter's best friend takes it and puts it in my car. The dog completely shuts down on the floorboard. I'm of course calling the police and animal control to try and get the dog back to his rightful owner. We ended up meeting with the police by my house. The dog refused to move. Animal control then tells us, go ahead and meet down at the St. Charles Parish Animal Shelter, where they met me. The dog just wouldn't move. I thought the dog was dying. I thought something had happened to it. As the owner's car approaches, the dog hears it. She just perks up and gets right out the car and goes straight to him. That was 4 hours of stress this poor dog had to deal with. I'm going to discuss with you ways we could prevent that from happening. First of all, I think this goes without saying, do not take your dogs out to see the fireworks. They do not understand what it's for. That said, this video is going to discuss 15 ways you can keep your dogs calm and happy during fireworks or any stressful situation for them. Let's start with desensitizing them. Counting backwards, desensitizing. This one might take a little bit of time. It could take days or even weeks. It's definitely worth the effort. Start by playing the sound of fireworks going off at a low tone. Give your dog treats so that they see there's nothing to worry about, and praise them when they don't overreact to it. Wear them out early. Play with them hard. Let them take a longer than usual walk. Play fetch. Use some interactive games, some cognitive games where they're looking for treats. Give them a lot of attention before the fireworks are starting to go off, or even it might be a thunderstorm or any other loud event. Try to wear them out ahead of time if you can. We bought this cute little toy for Ripley. Looking forward to seeing how she reacts to it. We'll show you that in the next video. Long-lasting distractions. A lick mat. I've used it for giving my dog a bath. I didn't need it then. During stressful situations, put cream cheese or peanut butter on a lick mat like this one. We also have bones that have cream cheese and peanut butter in them. They're also real thick. It takes the dogs a while to eat through them. I know you shouldn't give your dogs alcohol. I bought this little martini glass for Gia. She is old enough because she's 8 years old times 7. She's 56, well over 21. Probably this is one of the most important things. Have a safe space for them. A bathroom, a dark closet. Turning off the lights will help them sleep. My dog Gia's in a crate. I have this plywood on top of her crate. I'm going to show you a picture of the crate right there. The plywood does two things. First of all, it's easy for me to store stuff on top of it. It also helps to deaden noise around her. Another thing I do with my dogs when there's stressful situations is you throw a cover on top of that crate. That just gives them an extra sense of security. Probably you already have your windows closed. Closing the curtains will help. If you can, go ahead and get them some blackout blinds to help really distract from the light and the colors and the noise. Calming music. Playing your dog's favorite music or calming music. I actually made my dogs a video of them walking on the beach. I play that for them when I need to quiet them down a little bit. They definitely like seeing themselves on TV. The music helps to keep them quiet. It helps to keep them calm. There are also different types of background music that you could play. Background noise. There's white noise, which is kind of like static. That does help. Pink noise and brown noise is better. Now the brown noise is deeper tones. Dogs do very well with that, and it's not called brown because of the color. I think the guy who discovered that dogs that this is calming for dogs or calming for someone is the deeper tones played in the background. His last name was Brown. I remember hearing that somewhere. Pink noise is playing rainfall music. If you have some of those, my daughter has one for her daughter. It's just a sound creating thingy that makes it sound like it's raining outside. That helps to buffer out the sudden sounds. Keeping yourself calm is extremely important. Maybe with an actual martini, not a chew toy. If you're not going to be home, we're going to be just discussing in a couple seconds how to make sure your dog stays safe even if you can't be home for the event. Mental pressure. A lot of dogs like to wear a thunder shirt. This should be an enjoyable thing for the dog. If the dog does not want to wear it, don't fight him on it. That's just a technique that might not work for your pup. That's why we got 15 of them. Not all of them will work for everyone. Ear coverings. One of my favorite trainers on YouTube, that's gonna be Garrett Wing of American Standard Dog Training. I have his courses. He's not affiliated with us. He recommends putting cotton in the ears. Me putting cotton in my dog's ears, I can't do that. And it's not necessarily recommended unless you're very skilled at doing that. There's other techniques. They have snoods. They also have ear coverings. I saw one creator actually cut a sock, and she was able to put it on her dog's head to help cover the ears. My dogs are too big for that sock trick. Just, if yours aren't, that might work for you. Over-the-counter calming treats. I have these. Generally what I use is the Zesty Paws. It's a little orange bottle. Works pretty good. Sometimes I gotta put a little extra cream cheese on it because my dogs are spoiled. If the over-the-counter ones don't work, you may need some prescription. Obviously, you need to contact your vet. My dog Gia just had surgery, so she got trazodone. I can't pronounce this. Aceproxamine. She got 25 milligrams of it. Obviously, if you're giving your dogs a prescribed medication, talk to your vet. I have 2 dogs. One of them's Gia. She's got the prescribed meds. Before I give anything to Ripley, I make a quick phone call and say, can I give this to Ripley too? And if they say sure, I'm okay. Ripley weighs slightly more than she does, so weight matters. Talk to your vet. Obviously, you're gonna need to get the dosage right. You wanna talk to the vet on anything that is a prescribed medication. Here we go, no guilt. If you're going out and you can't be home with your dogs during the fireworks, we may not be home for it. We're gonna definitely make sure the doors are locked, the windows are locked, the curtains are shut. We have the music playing, all of the techniques I said above. Go ahead and make sure that that's 100% available for your puppy before you walk out the door. When you come home, you won't find your sofas torn up, hopefully. No single tool is gonna work 100% of the time, all the time, so layering them is important. Since every dog and human is different, you gotta do what works best for you and your individual dog. In the description, there is a link to everything I described below. I am an affiliate, so I will make a little bit of a commission. Won't cost you any extra. I would definitely appreciate the support. If you have any questions, comments, or anything else, please put them in the comment section and let me know what else you'd like to see here or what I did wrong. Have a great holiday.